everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I want to share with you some things that I purchased at the Daiso store. So I've been wanting to go out to the Daiso store for a while now. It's a little far out for me with everything that's going on, but I finally went out there and checked it out. Kind of wish I didn't go because I really didn't find a lot of things that I wanted. But it was a nice drive and getaway. So first of all, let me share what I have. I got this cute container, and it has the locking knobs here, or whatever you want to call them. And it's a nice, good size. I think I want to put my Julie Nutting dolls that I cut out and, put them in here because it's slim and I don't need a lot of room for them. So let me show you what else I picked up. I picked up these really cute gift tags from there that have the Disney theme. I thought they were really cute. I don't have a lot of Disney stuff, and I know the last time there was something that I wanted to participate with Disney, and I just really didn't have a lot of things to, use. So I picked these up. Sorry about the noise. I was just going to share with you what they look like. They're so cute. So you got Mickey Mouse, and then you got like a little banner. This would be adorable to make a little small banner with. Oh, that one's adorable. And it says smile. Oh, these are getting cuter by the minute. I really didn't take them out and look at them. Oh, these are so adorable. And then it says happy, and then Mickey giving you a little wink. I should have got 2 packs of these because I really like these. And those are, we'll just put those there. And then I picked up these cute little bows. These are, I don't know how many are in here. 10, looks like maybe 20 or so bows. And they look like they're just clear. Let me take them out of the package since I was making so much noise earlier. Why not continue to be noisy? So yeah, these are super cute. Yeah, there you go. And the colors are different. I really like this aqua looking color, and then the purples. Very, very cute. Some of them have like little dots on them. Design. Very cute. Very happy I got those. And then I picked up these Mickey Mouse stickers, and I think it's 5 in here. Continuing on with the noisy trend. So these are cute. A little more of the traditional, well, I was going to say traditional colors, but I don't know if that's a traditional color for Mickey Mouse. So it says Mickey and Minnie and Mickey and Minnie. Very cute. So glad I got those. And then I picked up these craft buttons. And these are, I think it's 50 pieces, and I like because they're gingham. And it's like green, red, pink, and blue, or in black. Very cute. And then I picked up these really cute little containers. I don't know what else to call them, but I have a couple of these already, and my intent is to put my different sentiments that I've cut out and keep them contained in these little containers. So I bought 2 of these little pouches. That's what I'm trying to look for, the word. And then I purchased this little pouch to hold my earbuds. It's really cute. You open it up, and it has a little netting in here. So just really cute. And then last but not least, I picked up these little clear push pins. So I just did my little bulletin board over, and I found all these colored push pins. So I was looking for something different, and these are perfect. That's what I was looking for. So that's my little Daiso haul. I just wanted to share with you because I don't go to Daiso often, and I'm very pleased at what I have, but like I said, it wasn't a lot of things there that I wanted. I just don't have the need for a lot of the things, But I just wanted to share with you what I got. Let me know what you think, and do you guys go to Daiso too? Talk to you soon. Bye.